Hey everybody, I'm here with Darryl. This is a Darryl episode,
and
he's got his bass here. Darryl, let him know what we're doing.
Well, today what we're going to do is we're going to be upgrading the old preamp that we had put in. We upgraded it once from the old preamp. This one is just completely gone out. We're getting a hard buzzing. We decided what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and just revamp the whole thing so we can use it acoustically. I already have it broken down, have all the strings removed, everything that needs to stay taped down, and as you can see, we already have it mapped out of what we're going to need to cut, both for the actual preamp itself, and then right there, that is your inlet, and I will show you what we're actually going to be replacing it with, and why it's a lot better. And this right here is going to be preamp that we are going to be using. It's going to be a little more reliable. I think it's going to pick up a lot better, give us a lot better pickup. As you can see, the microphone is a lot better, a lot bigger, and we can also adjust it whichever angle we want. You have a piezo. It's a hardtail piezo, so it'll give us a better sound. It'll bounce better on there. Also, on top of that, we're also going to get a EQ, a blend, volume control, tuner. In the end, it's going to be a lot better. And
an XLR out too, that's good.
Yeah, which is what I was going to talk about in the next part, is we're going to have a 1/4 inch out and then the XLR out. I've already taken the battery out of there, so all we got to do is pop it back in. I'm just leaving it out now just for the installation. But what you can see is the microphone difference. And when I say there's your microphone right there for this one, and then here's your microphone for this one. This is going to be a lot better. Richard has installed one of these on his guitars, and I think it actually brought a lot more bass out. It works real well, and it's been working real well. So
yeah, they're cheap, but they last a while, and they're about the most reliability you're going to get out of China.
Well, anyway, it's been a long while.
Let's get cutting.
Yeah, let's do this. Hold still. The Darryl's in.
Alright.
Here we go.
Darryl's test fitting. Usually you have to augment these holes quite a bit because of the curve.
We still got to knock out the corners here.
Yeah. I mean, maybe a little bit.
May have to saw a little bit more off the edge.
See how you got so much on that side?
Yeah. We're almost running something like that. Nowhere to get in.
It must be the corners are at the wrong angle.
Yeah, see, here you go. I'll leave it alone. Hold up, and then I'll retest it. Now we're going to retest it. It's going to be in. Oh, there. Oh, sweet hickory. Oh, sweet hickory. Failed attempts. There it is. Starter holes. Making starter holes.
Don't Chris flip the boat. Chris flip the boat, baby.
Chris flip.
Chris flip the boat over. Alright. Aloha means you stole my sheep in Hawaiian.
Aloha means hello.
It means hello, you stole my sheep.
Yeah, well, I'm going to Micro glove.
Hey, we have tuner. And Eva's holding the thing. She made a thing.